In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join PenFed, also known as the Pentagon Federal Credit Union. Joining PenFed can open the door to a variety of financial services like credit cards, loans, and more. So let's go through each step of the process together. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your favorite web browser and type PenFed into the search bar. This will give you a list of search results. Look for the official PenFed website, which should be one of the top entries, and click on it. This is your gateway to all things PenFed, so make sure you're on the genuine site to keep your personal information safe and sound. Once you're on the PenFed homepage, locate the Join Now button. This is usually prominently displayed, as PenFed aims to make the enrollment process as easy as possible. Clicking this button will begin your journey to becoming part of their community. Next, explore the various financial services PenFed offers. Their website conveniently organizes their offerings into categories. You'll see options such as credit cards, auto loans, personal loans, and much more. Click on each one to learn more about what PenFed can offer you in that category. For example, if you click on credit cards, you'll get a detailed insight into the different cards available, each with unique benefits to suit a wide range of financial needs. Similarly, if you're considering purchasing a vehicle, select auto loans. PenFed provides competitive rates and flexible terms that might just make your dream car more attainable. And if personal money matters are what you're focusing on, then don't miss personal loans made easy. Here, you can delve into the specifics that make managing personal finances more straightforward with PenFed's help. Homeowners, or those aspiring to be, should explore the home equity and home loan sections. These will give you a comprehensive view of how PenFed can assist with everything from remodeling projects to new mortgage arrangements. Finally, if everyday banking is what brings you here, check out their free checking option. It's hassle-free banking with the benefits that members have come to expect from PenFed, plus some handy perks like fewer fees and easy access. Once you've familiarized yourself with these offerings, you can proceed with your membership application following their guided process. PenFed's support team is available for any questions you might have to make sure your transition to membership is smooth and stress-free. Remember, joining PenFed means gaining access to programs and services designed with your financial well-being in mind. So take the leap and start your membership today, gaining cooperative benefits and financial tools that can help you manage and grow your finances more effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy banking!